Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. Like the name of this analysis suggests, I really like the Australian dollar, US dollar here. And the reason for that is that this pattern or structure that you see on the screens, from my point of view, is a classical flat, or if you want, a three-way structure. Now for this three-way structure, we have, that starts from here. We have wave A to the downside, a corrective wave. The B wave to the upside, that goes all the way here. And the C wave to the downside, that almost takes and makes and breaks these lows. It didn't break those lows, and because of that, it is being called a C failure, because the C wave fails to take the lows in this area. So this would be the lows in wave A, so the C wave failed to take the lows, and this would be the highs, and this should be labeled as A, then a B wave, of course, and then definitely a C wave, so A, B, and C, plus we'll have a polyline here, 1, 2, 3, the fourth, and the fifth wave here. And let me change the color for this one, as we just showed the five-way structure to the downside, a classical five-way structure to the downside, with the third wave being extended, the extension being more than 161.8 when compared with the previous wave. So all the rules that are respected. So what next? Well, next I'm looking for market to keep pushing to the upside. Normally the target on a regular spot market should come to these values here, and the first thing to look for, or the first thing to look at, is for this trend line to be broken. On a break of this trend line, the flat is being confirmed, and from that moment on, price should only look to the upside. From that moment on, price should go and challenge the highs in the 0.9460 area. So this is crucial in next week's trading. Now this is Friday, and it is end of week, also end of month and end of day. So the flows today are definitely going to influence all these markets. I would say that the spike from here to the upside is going to continue even for today. And in binary options, you don't need actually price to go in your favor for hundreds and hundreds of pips, but only with a couple of pips bigger than the striking price, and we should be okay. So long story short, what I would like to do here is, of course, to go and buy call options. And these call options are having an end of day expiration date. But again, being Friday, it is end of day or end of week or whatever. It is important for the option to expire when the US markets are closing. And the US markets are closing at 8 GMT. So buying call options with end of day expiration date for the Australian dollar, US dollar, as this flat here, ABC, seems to be completed. What does it mean to be completed? It means that the move that ended here should be of a bigger degree. I would say there is only a C wave part of an ABC to the upside, but of a bigger degree. Let's make it of a different color and make it a big wave, something like this. And the move to the downside, if it stays as it is just an X wave. How do we know that actually this X wave is or this flat completes the corrective wave to the downside, and market is not making a new low here. Well, we have the answer from the Fibonacci retracement. If you go and take a Fibonacci retracement from here to here like this, you'll see that the fact that, sorry, not that, but the fact that the C wave here failed to take this low, I mean it took the lows, almost took the lows here, so it is an impulsive move with a fifth wave failure, but also it is a C wave here that fails to take these lows, so this is called a flat with a C failure. Both of them are extremely bullish, and it's no wonder the price reacted like this for the end. Anyways, buying call options with end of day expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbuynovaoptions.com, and all these analyses and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lioneye. Bye bye.